Good morning students. How are you? Are you learned the previous chapters? Are you interested the previous chapters to learn? Alright. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. The title of the chapter was The Jungle Air Crush. The story of the survival story of a 16-year-old girl who narrates the story. Before going to the story, let's read the profile of the narrator.
Children, let's read the vocabulary. Ecologist, one who studies environment. Ornithologist, one who studies about birds. Ale, a passage between rows of seats in an aircraft. Rear, to bring up maturity. Stewardess, a woman employed look after the passengers on an aircraft. Children, let's read the chapter The Jungle Air Crush. Julian Kopic. I have always enjoyed flying. My mother and I boarded Lanza Airlines Flight 508 as I had just finished secondary school in Lima and we wanted to spend Christmas with my father in our jungle hut. Daddy, an ecologist, and mother, an ornithologist, held professorship at San Marcos University in Lima, and we spent a lot of time in the jungle where they carried out of research. I was sitting in the third row of seat from the rear next to the window. Mother sat beside me and a man we didn't know owned the assail. Everything seemed quite normal. The takeoff, the climb over the snow-covered Andes, breakfast, the smiling stewardess, the green jungle stretching east to the horizon. People were reading or chatting. Everyone was in a holiday mood. So, children, you please read the first few paragraphs very carefully. Shall I ask some questions? Why was there a holiday mood in the plane? Answer: everybody was reading and chatting and enjoying the flight, so there was a holiday mood on the plane. And the next question: why did the narrator spend a lot of time in the jungle? The narrator spent a lot of time in jungle as her father, an ecologist, and her mother, an ornithologist, carried out the research in the jungle. And why was I have always enjoyed the flight? Would you like to fly? Children, let's look to the grammatical content. Preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun phrase, or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Example: beside, across, along, in, under. Find out more examples. Let's read the profile of the narrator. Julian Diller, born on 10th October 1954, alias Julian Margaret Kopeck, is a German biologist born in Peru. She is best known as the sole survivor among 92 passengers and crew in the 24th December 1971 crash of Lines Flight 509 in Peruvian rainforest. Her memoir, When I Fell from the Sky, is an international bestseller and is a gripping account of harrowing adventure and inspiring life.
Hey children, I thought you all are understand the meaning and the difficult words and meanings and all two passages. I thought you all are understand the two passages meanings, and you please read once again this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.